everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Deepika and today let's talk about GST in a simple way. If you are a business owner, trader or service provider, you have probably heard this question: what exactly is GST and why do I have to pay it? Don't worry, I will explain you it quickly and clearly. So, let's understand what is GST. GST stands for Goods and Service Taxes. It is a single tax applied on the sale of goods and service in India. Instead of multiple taxes like VAT, service tax, and excess, GST replaced them all, making taxation more transparent. There are three main types of GST:
CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax.
SGST, State Goods and Services Tax; IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax. Let's understand why GST is very important for your business. When GST is handled properly, you can claim import tax credit, your tax costs reduce, you stay compliant and avoid notices. Your business runs smoothly, but wrong GST filing can lead to penalties, block ITC and notices. To apply for GST registration, you will need these basic documents: PAN card of the business, Aadhaar and PAN of proprietor or partner or directors, business address proof, bank details. Remember, even small mistake in GST registration or filing can cause big problems later, like penalty or blocked ITC and notices. GST rule can be confusing, and that's where Falcon helps. With Falcon, you can get easy and clear GST guidance, accurate and timely GST return filing, input tax, credit tracking, and support, GST notice handling, and expert assistance, end to end compiles support, reduced error and penalty risk, stress free GST management. You focus on growing your business with confidence. Falcon ensures complete and accurate GST compliance. Now, I'm going to show you step-by-step guidance of GST registration.
Open Google in your web browser. In the search bar, type GST registration. Press enter. Click on the first official GST portal link www.gst.gov.in. On the GST homepage, locate and click on Services. Under Services, click on New Registration. On the new registration page, make the following sections. I am a select to, for example, taxpayer from the drop down. Select state from the drop down. Select district from the drop down. Now, legal name of business as per the PAN card. Next, permanent account number. Enter email address. Now enter mobile number. Enter CAPTCHA. Click on proceed button. A screen will appear asking for OTP verification. Enter mobile OTP, then email OTP. Click on proceed button. A success message will appear on your screen. You have successfully submitted part A of the registration process. After registration, you will receive TRN number on your registered mobile number. Now, enter the TRN number. Next, enter the CAPTCHA. Please note down this TRN number for future reference. Now, click on proceed button. Enter the OTP you have received on your registered mobile number and email address. Now, click on proceed button. Next, the GST registration dashboard will appear. You will see my saved application section. Locate your application with TRN. Click on actions drop down button next to your application. Select edit from the drop down. Please note, We are now showing the overview of the GST dashboard and the sections in part B. We will not be filling actual business sensitive information in part B. This is for demonstration and training purpose only. Now, let's complete application section. Business details. Fill trade name, business constitution type, additional trade name if you have, reason to obtain registration, commencement of business date, date on which liability to register arises, registration required from date. Now click Save and Continue button. Click on Add button to add promoter or partner details. This section requires name of promoter or partner, father's name, date of birth, gender, designation, PAN number, Aadhaar number, mobile number, email address. Now select location, choose residential address location, upload documents, photograph of promoter or partner, then proof of appointment if applicable. Now click Save and Continue button. Now you have to enter authorized signatory details. This section requires name of authorized signatory, father's name, date of birth, mobile number, email address, gender, designation, and PAN. After that, select your address from the map. Now upload required documents. Click Save and Continue button. Let's fill authorized representative details. This section is optional. If required, click Add and Fill Details and click Save and Continue button. Next, you have to add principal place of business. This section requires building number, flat number, floor number and additional details. Fill in the required filling details. First, select the appropriate state jurisdiction and choose the correct sector, circle, ward, charge or unit. Next, under center jurisdiction, select commissionerate, division and range. Then enter your office email address, office telephone number with STD code and mobile number. Now upload proof of principal place of business, consent letter if premises is rented or leased. Now select the applicable nature of business activity for the premises by ticking the relevant options. If there is an additional place of business, enable the option provided. Then click Save and Continue to proceed. Open the additional places of business tab. If you have any, select Yes. Under principal place of business, then click Add New to enter the details. Next, you have to add goods and services detail. Enter HSN code. For example, type the HSN code for goods or services you deal in. Select the description from drop down. Click Save. Add multiple HSN codes if required. Click Save and Continue button. Next, you have to add state specific information. This section may vary based on state selected. Fill any additional information required by the state. Click Save and Continue button. Now, we are on the Aadhaar authentication step of GST registration. Select whether you want Aadhaar authentication for the promoter, partner or primary authorized signatory. If you choose yes, a link will be sent to the registered mobile number and email ID. Verify the details, complete the authentication and your ARN will be generated. Next, move to verification. Review all details carefully, select the authorized signatory, choose DSC, EVC or Aadhaar OTP and submit. After submission, you will receive your ARN to track the status.
And that's it. GST is simple when handled the right way. For smooth, compiled, and accurate filing, Falcon is here to support you. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.